Intro. I'm not even gonna get to that. Hopefully I don't have to redo any of these. Pretty much into the middle. That's in the middle. This is kind of in the middle. Whatever. 2 things down, 1 to go. Oh, I need water. I need water. No. Not as smooth as I wanted it to go, but it went good. Ooh. I almost fucking lit my ass on fire. That wouldn't have been good. God. This is so fucking difficult today. No. Shit. If you are new to Kundalini Kriya, Kundalini Kriya. But I just wanted to, let you guys know on my situation because I cannot record. Or if that's difficult, you can. Excuse me. Cut that. I'm having a really hard time. Oh. That's why. What's up, my beautiful people? No, that's not right. That will, I know I'm rambling. I'm rambling. I'm trying to keep this short. Satnam and welcome. No, welcome to my channel. I want to cry. This is for the week of August 6th. Actually, alright, cut that. Whew. That was fucking good. That was fucking good. Holy shit balls.